Ryan, this is for you.
Oh. Chachu!
Wake up, Ryan, wake up. Ryan, wake up. He is sleepy. Ryan, are you sleepy? Get up. Are you not excited for the match?
I am very excited.
He is excited for the match. He is happy. He is energetic.
I am very confident. Oh, my son.
He is nervous. I think Ryan is worried for the exam. Ryan, why are you worried? Will you come for the cricket? He is confused. Ryan is confused. Ryan, why are you in a hurry?
I am late for the exam. Chachu bag is very heavy.
Ryan, are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
You are not weak, you are strong. Look, the sun is bright and the air is fresh and the sky is blue and clear. Ryan, this is for you.
Oh. Chachu!
I'm sorry, Ryan. Omar, where is the ball?
There is the ball.
He is now calm. I'm sorry, Ryan. Ryan, why is he sad?
Why are you sad, Umar? I don't have ball.
This is for you, Umar. Are you happy now?
I am happy.
Why are you scared, Ryan?
Chachu, there is the ghost.
Where is it? I can't see it. Where is the ghost?
Chachu, do you have a car?
I don't have a car. I had an old car. I will be rich and I will have a luxurious car. And right now, I have a stylish scooty.
Chachu, who is he?
He is my loyal friend.
Who are they?
They are my talented friends.
How many cars does he have?
He has 3 cars.
How many cars do they have?
They have no cars.
How many cars do you have?
I have a 3 cars. I have a premium BMW and I have a powerful Lamborghini and I have a reliable Maruti and Suzuki.
Chachu is very tall, but I am short.
Umar, you are so cute.
Am I not cute?
You are cute and smart.
Chachu is handsome. They are skinny.
He is fat. He is fat. He has curly hairs.